With the key features of a smartwatch to persuade the majority of consumers adopting our wearable technology. We wanted to create a wearable without compromises, a one that is desirable and will be accepted and worn by majority of consumers. Z Time will provide a 30 days battery on a single charge and a water resistant, up to 30 meters.
When we first started working on the Z Time project, we knew from day one that the most critical challenge for us would be to offer users the opportunity to keep track of the daily time without necessarily having to turn on the display and therefore have some battery life issues.
This has been accomplished with Z Time, the perfect hybrid smartwatch. It combined the best of both worlds. Stainless steel watch case and mechanical hands of an elegant traditional timepiece with a full color touchscreen that instantly shows incoming calls, smartphone notification, real-time fitness activity, upcoming calendar events, daily reminders, and much more, right from your wrist.
The best way to deliver mechanical hands experience with a smartwatch was actually to use real ones. But how? And how to make the background of a traditional watch becoming smart? Well, drilling a hole into a TFT display was the only solution. We spent countless hours with our engineering team and industrial partner finding the right solution to create a brand new touchscreen that could accept a pass-through mechanical hand solution. And we finally did it, over hundreds of prototypes and design proposals. By combining a revolutionary TFT color display together with an ultra-precise touch panel and a high-grade quality glass, we succeed to deliver the best of both worlds. An amazing smartwatch that can offer both touchscreen experience together with a traditional timepiece. But we didn't stop here.
With our own OS, we can tweak the lowest level features to improve power consumption. In addition, this OS comes with a lot of pre-installed applications and a wide series of nice watch faces.
Why using a traditional quartz movement when we live into a brand new smart world? We work conjointly with several partners to create what we call the smart movement. Built around two micromotors, this movement is capable of not only providing accurate time, but it can more importantly be controlled by the watch CPU to automatically adjust time depending on the time zone where you are, and also move the hands where we need them to be on a particular screen. As a result, no fear of having hands covering the text on your emails or messages. We can position them the way we want to deliver the best reading experience, and they will go back to their original position automatically.
Having our own OS allows us to customize our UX and deliver the highest level of compatibility for iOS and Android users.
Z Time is also embedding some of the most advanced technologies, like a 3 LED heart rate monitoring solution, delivering precise and accurate measures of your cardiac frequency throughout the day or at a particular point in time when you need it. We also decided to replace the traditional crown with a very advanced smart crown, helping users to enhance their navigation experience inside a polished and nicely designed user interface.
The experience will be improved and enhanced week after week with regular over-the-air updates, offering new watch faces, new applications, and also new features.
Z Time is with no doubt an amazing timepiece that will for sure reset the future of the smartwatch industry.
Today is a day like no other. We are living fast-paced, and Dagadam Watch is here to help you organize better, keep you connected, and offer easy access to everything you need so you can have more time for what you love and makes you happy. Dagadam is water-resistant and has a 1.4-inch AMOLED display with 16.7 million colors. The first round smartwatch with curved Gorilla Glass and the Sense Touch bezel, a new and entertaining way to navigate. Enjoy the music you love. You can add up to 10,000 songs to Dagadam. You don't need your phone to have access to your music, and you can easily connect the watch to your Bluetooth headphone. You have your personal trainer wherever you are. Dagadam Watch offers you a fitness app that gives you access to freestyle stretching, indoor running, outdoor walking, and cycling activity trackers. Dagadam Watch helps you find your way to the top. The fitness apps let you set your goal and shows you the average speed, measuring your heart rate continuously and how many calories you've burned. The built-in GPS reveals the route on the map and the distance you've covered. Dagadam Watch will let you monitor how much water you drink, so you can stay hydrated all the time. We all need to recharge. With a battery that lasts up to 72 hours, Dagadam Watch offers the option of fast wireless charging that charges fully within 30 minutes. Important events in your life won't be missed when you're wearing Dagadam Watch on your wrist. You can receive reminders and use the voice control to add new ones. And you are always a step away from the closest spots or your favorite places.
Find me a flower shop.
Use the voice control to call your taxi, and you'll receive a notification when the car arrives. Social media notifications are also available on your smartwatch, and you can interact with them. Dagadam allows you to communicate using your favorite chat applications.
Call Luis.
Hey, yeah, I got one more stop. I'm on my way. I'll see you there.
Your safety is very important, so we've added an emergency function. With a personalized gesture, you can instantly send your exact location to up to 5 people in your contact list. You can exchange your contacts and social media accounts easy and fast with the new function Dagadam Buddy. Dagadam is the first watch with a smart notification center called Dagadam Hub that is going to prioritize everything according to your preferences.
My first impression of the TicWatch 2 was it fits great and it looks good on my wrist.
Each little point that you touch, it's very specific.
And I like how it goes from being a traditional type function, looking down at it, to really being able to interact with it.
My first impression was that it was a neat watch, but outside of that, I didn't really know that I'd explore the functionality or get to use it in the real world.
Normally, I wouldn't consider answering any phone calls while I'm riding my bike, but with the TicWatch 2, you just flip your wrists twice, answer the call, flip another 2 times, and hang it up. It tracks my workouts, and it fits with my lifestyle.
I'm not really what you call tech savvy, but the TicWatch 2 has been really easy to use.
Okay, Tico, we want sushi.
I can ask it to find a nearby restaurant, and it shows the rating and the review and how far away it is.
Whenever I want to go for a run, I can always track all of my fitness goals on it. It's really important for me to be able to track how I want to do my workout. If I want to use it by calories or with distance or based on my heart rate.
I was really impressed with how convenient it was to schedule tasks and meetings. It responded to my voice commands very easily.
Okay, Tico, schedule a meeting with Bob Williams for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
I thought it was pretty awesome that you could call an Uber by just saying, call an Uber into your watch, and it would request one for you.
It's great to be able to focus on the task I have at hand instead of having to check my phone all the time. If I receive a text, I simply glance at my watch. I can dismiss it until I'm ready to reply later. I don't see how I've really been able to function without it. It's really helped me be more efficient.
It's made my life a lot easier when it comes to my workouts or even just my daily life. Okay, Tico, how's the weather?
When I'm selecting a watch, it actually matters to me how it looks. It's cute. I like it.
Overall, I was really impressed with the TicWatch 2. It's fast, it's intuitive, it recognizes my voice faster than any other smartwatch I've ever seen. So I get to keep this, right?
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Simon, and this is Neptune Pine. Over the last year, there have been so many new smartwatches appearing on the market, but none of them really seem to be living up to the hype. They're usually sold as Bluetooth accessories for your phone, either for fitness tracking or as some sort of notification center. We believe that a smartwatch should be a truly standalone device. That's why we created Neptune Pine, the only device you'll ever need. Pine is at the top of the food chain when it comes to smartwatches, packing more features than any wrist-worn device out there without the need of a nearby smartphone. Just insert your micro SIM card and it allows you to make and receive phone calls and send SMS text messages. With 3G and Wi-Fi, you can conveniently browse your favorite websites, your social networks, your email, and much more. It's the complete wearable web experience on your wrist.
Hi, my name is Aaron Wilkins and I'm CTO at Neptune. When we started looking at smartwatches about a year ago, we realized that one of the big problems was that all the apps had to be custom tailored to each specific device. We've been able to make our device compatible with a huge number of existing Android apps. So the fact that we have an accelerometer, the fact that we have a GPS, all of these things, they open up a world of possibilities for developers to be able to take advantage of this technology, and specifically in this form factor. What's really cool about the Pine is that we have a front-facing VGA camera and a rear-facing 5-megapixel camera. So the front-facing VGA camera lets you do video chat. Right now we're the only smartwatch that can do video chat. The rear-facing camera lets you take high-resolution video or still images. We've got flashes on both the cameras, so you can use them in any lighting condition. And what's cool about the Pine is it can be used as a flashlight or a heart rate monitor with existing applications. We went through a lot of trouble to make sure that the connection mechanism can release fluidly, that we can put it back in and it stays safe and secure, and that it's not going to fall out of the strap.
We're gamers, and our passion for games doesn't stop when the screen turns off. We carry it with us, everywhere we go. Now you can too, with Gameband, the first smartwatch for gamers. Gameband Atari Edition puts the action right on your wrist with watch-optimized versions of classic Atari games. But Gameband's hardware is far from retro.
Inside Gameband, we put an AMOLED display that's crystal clear. We put the Qualcomm Snapdragon 2100 processor, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2.
The Snapdragon Wear 2100 takes on everything that you need to have in a wearables processor. It's 30% smaller than its predecessor. It's 25% more power efficient, extending battery life and bringing advanced functionality.
The result is one of the most powerful smartwatches in the world. And we didn't stop there. Gameband supports upgradable microSD storage, so you can carry your music, photos, and files.
Our microSD solution is really easy to use. Just plug into any computer and launch Pixel Furnace and play full PC games direct from the drive at really high speed.
With Gameband Terraria Edition, you can adventure on your PC and then unplug and carry your world with you on your wrist, so you can play from anywhere. Our team pioneered this concept back in 2015 when we helped create a hugely popular Minecraft wearable. We know what it takes to build a great smartwatch that you'll want to wear every day.
I've been designing wearables for over a decade. Wearables is a very difficult space to design within. It needs to fit on the person and be comfortable to wear. Waterproof, shockproof. So we designed this product using the best-in-class construction approaches from the watchmaking industry.
Really what we were trying to do was to create a physical device, something that exists in the real world, that feels like it could exist in any number of these sort of magical and mysterious wonderlands that we see and experience in every kind of game.
Well, I'm really excited about Gameband, in part because I'm a gamer, and this is a product made for me. Of course, it's a full-featured smartwatch, but it's more than that. As a storage medium that allows people to take their games to their friend's home or take it to another PC, it's not a generic smartwatch, it's something that speaks to a gamer. For me, it's kind of a no-brainer.